Okay, this is the plan. We are going to start drawing in SketchUp. There is a small sit out here, living room with the furniture. You have bedroom here. From the bedroom, there is a small toilet entrance. You have another bedroom. This is a toilet for that bedroom. From the living room, you have a kitchen. You have two toilets, one toilet for this bedroom, and the other one is common toilet. There is a door here. You have to go out. There is a small door wall missing here. You have to draw that wall, and you have to provide only the door there. I hope you got some idea. Then there are steps also. Okay, first we have to go to the plan. So I'll go here, click the plan. So I'm in the plan now. I can remove that lady standing there. I can delete that. And when you go to the plan, you see that you have to make it to parallel projection because you are in the perspective. Sometimes you don't get exactly. So you go to the parallel projection. Okay. Here we are going to start the drawing. Let me open that drawing. Okay. So this is my red. This is green. Don't worry about that. First, let me use the tape measuring tool. Just parallel to green, I draw one line. Parallel to red, I draw. So this is my building corner. Okay. So first I will draw the I'm going to draw in meters. Okay. So I will offset this for 0.2. This also 0.2. And my first room, the wall, this wall is 3 meters. So I will offset this for 3 meters, 3 for 220 centimeter. And then this height of the, just check your drawing also when I'm explaining. This is 360, 3.6. Again here 0.2. So this is my first room. Okay, so I'm using the tape measuring tool. Shortcut is T. Now you have a small toilet here, and the toilet size is 180 by 135. So width is 135, 1.35, 200. Okay, and this is 180, 1.8, 200.2. Okay, like offset we are doing, but with the tape measure tool. You can take it down by pressing H, or we can use the hand and take it little down. So we are with this tool. Now we are going to have the third bedroom here. When you press space bar, you cancel the command, whatever command you are doing. Now again, tape measure tool, shortcut is T. The next one is 3 meter, 3 meter, 200.2. Okay, so you got up to here. And if you want, we can construct the rectangle and go. We'll do the rectangle here. Rectangle. This is a wall. Another wall. Another wall. another wall, another wall. Is it okay? Are you following it? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Over here again. I'll just draw this wall here. There is a wall here. Okay. So this is bedroom. This is another bedroom. This is another wall. Control Z if you have made a undo. Undo. Sometimes you have to zoom it to do it properly. Click here. Click here. Okay, when it gets a line in all the side, automatically it creates the surface. Okay. Now here we have to draw the toilets now. Toilets start from this line. This line. Okay. So this line is not required. Erase. This is not required. This toilet is 180 by 120. So tape measure tool, type T from here, 1.8, from here, 0.2. So this is and the first one is 120, 1.2, 200, 1.2, 0.2. So these are my toilets here. I can draw the wall there. So W for rectangle, type R. Door opening you can do later. So these are my toilets. Now the next one is I have to start drawing the kitchen. Kitchen, this gap is 150. So if I want to cancel, I press the space bar. Next again, tape measuring tool T, 1.5, 0.2. Okay, and from here it is the measurement of the kitchen is 4.7. From here 4.7. 4.7. 200.2. Okay, and this width is 2.4. 2.4.2. Okay, so which is our room? Yeah, okay. So this is our wall for the. This is our. So we'll provide wall. We will make the rectangle. Click. And your. So this line is not required for us now. This is actually for bring here. This is for that kitchen entrance. We'll cut it later if you want. So this is our entrance for kitchen, and this is our kitchen. If you want to move, you can use hand. Now I will erase this line because it will be confusing. And from here to 3 meter. 3 meter is our hall. So I will tape measure tool, tape 3 meter. 3 meter, 200.2. Okay, so this is our so this is the wall. Rectangle. Okay. And here now we have to draw the sit out we have to draw. So this is our toilet. So I think everything is all right. Okay, now we have to draw the sit out. Sit out is 3 meter by 1.6, 3 meter. This is 3 meter, 1.6. So tape measure tool, 1.6, 200.2. Okay, so this is my sit out rectangle type R. Okay, and here there is a small column coming here. Yeah. Okay, so this line is not required. I will delete this line, erase. This line is not required. This line is not required. There should be one line here, line here. Erase. This line is not required. Okay, so this is a column. This line is not required. So this is my sit out. Okay, so sit out, your living room, entrance to bedroom, toilet entrance from here, toilet entrance from here. Up to here, we have to mark the doors position, window position, etc. So these lines are not required. I will erase, use erase command. I may delete all unwanted things because that will create always confusion. You can save it. Can save it. Okay, I will say plan. My plan is ready. It's always better to keep this plan ready. Then you take a copy and start making a thing like that, no, step by step, so that if you have something, you can go back and do it. Okay. There is some minor correction we may have to do here. There is a one wall coming down here. That wall is coming straight here down. Coming here. Actually, the kitchen is a little down. Anyway, don't worry. Let us do like this only. Minor correction here and there, no problem. Okay, even small mistake, if some this measurement are missing, don't worry. So I will use erase and I will remove unwanted things here. This line is not required. This line is not required. All this junction unwanted line you can erase. You You can use hand to take it down. Pan, type E. Okay. This line you have to remove when you want to extrude another thing, no? I hope you got some idea now. I removed everything, saved it again, Control S. Now we have to start drawing the doors and windows. If you want, we can make a new layer and do in that one if you want. If you want, you can use this layer here. Plus, start this layers. Layer is not on. You can switch on layer and make the layer if you want. Okay, you can go to Windows, default layers. Layers only zero layer there. Everything we made in zero layer. If you want, you can create a door layer. You can create one more window layer. So now we are going to create the doors. So I will go to door layer. Okay, that's so we'll start from here. Again, tape measure tool. I will draw a line. The door I'm keeping 10 centimeter away from here. So 0.1. My door width is 1 meter. 1 meter. Now from here, I want to keep the window 20 centimeter here, 0.2. And this window is 1 meter. 1 meter. Okay. So I can use the rectangle. So this is my door. This is my window. Okay. Erase. These are not required. Once you finish, immediately switch off there because otherwise so many lines will come. So this is our door opening. This is the window opening. This is our wall. This is a wall. Okay. If you want to pan, press H. And here we have to draw the window now. This window is 1 meter wide. So I have to draw a line from the middle. You can see that when it goes to there, it turns a color. Click this. Click. So I have drawn a 1 meter line. Tape measure tool, T. Zoom it. Take it. This side 0.5. Select it. This side 0.5. Rectangle R. So this is my window. Erase. This is not required. It's not required. This is not required. So this window is ready. You can use H to move pan again. Then line L. Take again mid of this line. Click. Tape measuring tool T. You have to zoom sometimes, otherwise it may not come. So this door is 1.5. So 0.75. 0.75. Draw rectangle R. You can press space bar to remove the command, then type R. Click. Erase. Just say E. No need of pressing enter. Just say E. My window is ready here. There is more small ventilator here, 600. So line. tape measure tool, 0.3, 0.3, rectangle R, erase E. So that is over. Again press H to go down. So now we are doing, we are in the door now, but we are doing window, right? No problem. We can rename this later. And here also you want line. When you go to the middle now, the color changes. Click T, zoom, 1.5, so 0.75. Point 75. Or click here, E. Like that, you have to draw all the points. Okay. Let me draw two windows here also. Here, what we'll do is we'll draw first line L, L, okay. Extend this line. I will draw another line from here to here. Middle. So this is so this window is 1.5, so 75, 75. Okay. Tape measure tool. Point 7. Rectangle. Erase. So we got this window. Similarly, we can draw a line from this is our mid. Okay. Erase. Not required. So we have to draw the window here. Tape measure tool. 0.75. 0.75. Rectangle. Erase. So this is our window. So this line is not required. This is one window, another window. This is wall. Okay. So this is one window. This is another window. This is wall. Wall. So you can draw the windows here also. As per the measurement, you can draw. Let me draw the door now. Door. Tape measure tool. So this whatever we did was in door. So we'll right click, make it to window, windows. We'll make it to rename, double click, doors. We'll go to doors now. So now we are doing doors. So I will 0.1, 0.9. So this is the opening for my door. So rectangle. Erase. So this is my, and there is one door should be here. Tape measure tool. 0.1. Door is 0.75. Rectangle. Erase. Don't erase this opening. Keep like this because that will be using for extruding another thing. So this is our opening. This is wall. This is wall. This is wall. And opening here for window like that. Now here also we have to draw. So tape measure tool. 0.1, 0.9, rectangle, erase, just type E, no need of pressing enter or anything. So this is your door opening. So this is for toilet opening for there. So here also you have to draw the, so the toilet is coming from here. Tape measure tool, 0.1, 0.75, rectangle, erase, just type E, shortcut you have to learn, no need of pressing enter or anything. So this right here, and there is one door here. So tape measure tool, 0.1, 0.1, Control Z, 0.1, 0.75, rectangle, Control Z, erase. Okay, so there's entrance here. There is a door here. Tape measure tool T, 0.1, 0.9, rectangle, erase. That's all. Okay, and here two windows are coming. You can draw that. There is one window coming here. So we have drawn window here, door. So this door we have to check whether it is correct or not. Erase. For a wash basin here. Tape measure tool, 0.1, 0.9, Okay, so what we'll do, we'll start from this side. Tape measure tool, 0.1. You can keep the door here, no? You can keep the door opening like this. You can keep the door here instead of here. Okay, so tape measure tool, 0.1, 0.9. So this is our door here. 0.2. Okay, so we'll do the rectangle here, another rectangle here, erase, erase. So this is our wall, this is our opening, this is our wall. Just maybe a little different from the plan. You can do according to your own idea. This is how you have to do. Okay, so we have finished the door. There is 2 ventilators missing here. We'll draw that also. Line, take the middle. Line, middle. Tape measure tool, 0.3, because our ventilator is 0.6. 0.3 this side, 0.3, 0.3. See, sometimes it will not come. That means you are not properly selected it. Click it, 0.3. Rectangle. Rectangle. Erase. So this is window, ventilator. This is ventilator for here. If you have done any, if you want to cancel the meeting, press space bar. There is one window here. We'll draw one window here. Line, mid, perpendicular. Tape measure tool, 0.5. 0.5. Rectangle. Erase. There are 2 windows here. I'm not drawing that. You can draw that also. So I hope you got some idea here. Save it. So this I am going to save it as doors window plan with a door window like that. So anytime you can, if you have done any mistake, anytime you can go and back, go and correct it. Save as plan door window, plan with the review. Use a push pull P. You have to go a little nearby, some otherwise it will take somewhere else also. You be careful. You have to see that you select only the wall inside. Click 3 meter. Once you type the value, it is already having that value in mind. So just double click only, no need of typing again. Go here, double click. P. See, by mistake you will take here, so you have to be very careful. Double click. Control Z. So this is our bedroom here. Push pull P, shortcut is P. Sometimes you don't get it, be careful. Okay, I think we have finished all the walls. Something maybe inside, if anything missing. No. Here we have extruded all the walls. Now we have to start drawing the window, but still it is a wall for the window portion. You go down here, zoom it. So this we have to take 90 centimeter up, 90 centimeter sill, then window, then 90 centimeter wall. It's like that. So I'll go here, push pull P, go here, push it for 0.9, go here, come here, double click. There was some problem here. What is this here? Something problem here. There's some wall problem here, you see. So you may have to delete this and redo that portion again. Or you have to start from the beginning. You have to be very careful. That is because of we have not selected the walls properly. That is why. We can sort that issue. Control Z, Control Z. Okay. So this is 0.9. 0.9. This we have to, the ventilator is, okay, we'll do that later. The ventilator portion we'll do later. Yeah, the door height should be a little bigger because the kitchen area. So I think it is coming 0.2. be little more. 1.2. Kitchen, there should be window will be little smaller. So I hope you got the idea now. Okay, plan isometric. Now we have to fill the top portion. We have to fill the top portion. So the total height is 3 meters, 90 here and 90 from here. So 120 is your window height. So we have to fill about 90 here. So how will you fill that? So what you do is go to tape measure tool, select this edge, take it down 0.9. And from here, junction, draw a line to here. And control is a line. Click. So you got a portion here. Push pull. Click. So it is extended there. Erase. So this portion is over. This line is not required. This line is not required. This line is not required. So this wall is ready. Now here we have to provide, make it like this. So this wall is some problem is there. You have to delete this and do it. You have to be very careful how to delete it. Tape tool, from here, take it down 0.9 and draw a line here, line. Click. 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 Now you have to push pull this. P, very careful, go there and see, drag. You see that one small square box is coming, or you have to little adjust here and there. Click. So it joins up to there. See, now the square is not coming. You adjust a little bit. Click. Push pull. Drag. So here there is a problem because of that one portion is missing here. One portion, that is why it's coming like this. You have to sort this issue. Erase. This line should be here only. So that what is line. Tape measure tool, down 0.9, line. Click. Click. Push pull. See that square is not coming. Move a little bit. Yeah. Click. Click. Okay. Now this is a ventilator portion. So this you have to take little more height. Okay, because from here to then 60 is your. So from the floor you have to 150 you have to take this. 1.5. So you get the ventilator there. This also 1.5 you have to take. This color, don't worry. And come here. This is because of the zooming. Don't worry about that. And here is also some problem has come. You see why? Something problem has come here. So you have to check this properly. There are some problem here. Elevation. Okay, that's how you do the filling. Okay. So let us do here. Tape tool, take it down, 0.9 line, click here, click, click, push tool, click, okay, erase. Like this, you have to fill all the areas inside. Also, you have to take the first. You have to take the 90 centimeter tape tool line, and from there you have to draw and join it. This height has not come properly. So to check how much is the height, tape measure tool. Yeah, it has come. Okay, so like this, you fill everywhere. And let me show you how to create a window. So erase. This has to be increased height. We took only 90, 60 more you have to. When you are in the erase button, don't move here and there. Something like sometimes it may be giving you a problem. By mistake, you will erase another one. So when you are in erase, better to press the space bar, remove it, then you do it. So push pull. This one 90 only we took. We have to take 0.62 again. Okay, because this is a toilet area. And now we have to draw the window here. Okay, I will go to, either you can use the layer properly or you can adjust, don't worry about that. Okay, once you have finished the door, everything, the wall, everything, before doing the doors and windows, you have extruded 3D, everything ready. You select all these things. and create a group. Right click, group. If you want, you can put the color here now. You can put a color for this. So you'll go to materials. Some green color. Select this one. It did not select properly, that is why. Otherwise, no, you single click everywhere the color will come. The selection was not proper. So space bar, select everything, right click. So you want to work anything, double click here, and you have to go inside and do it if you want anything. Now let us start Windows. Let me delete this person. Before we start the Windows, it is better to make a group because this only the walls are available. So let me select everything, right click and create group. This is very, very important. Rectangle, select that, move, bring it here. So this is your window. From here you have to create the window. Offset 0.1, line, middle, tape tool 0.05, 0.05, rectangle, rectangle. It's not coming properly. That means something wrong with this. We may have to restart it again. Delete this line. Delete this line. Line. Tape tool. Point 0.05, 0.05, rectangle. Now we are getting. Sometimes when you take this tape tool guidelines, no, you have to take it properly. Erase. I will select this piece. Delete. Select piece. Delete. Push pull. 0.1. Select everything. Right click. Group. Let us create some painting for this. Select this. Okay. Now we have to create the shutter for this rectangle. Select, move, Middle of this. Control. Yeah. So we'll put a color for this. Again, we'll create it as a group. Right click, group. Move. Move. Control. Control. So I want to put this window here, but the size is not correct. So let me take a copy of this, select, move, control, rotate it. Move this. So I have to reduce this window size. So how can you do that? Select this window, scale, view, face, X-ray. So I can see inside wireframe. So this is my window line. I reduce it. Let's see whether it's coming properly. View, window line. Yeah, I can take inside this. I will switch off that X-ray. Window is correct now. I have to take this inside, select, move, put some area in there, click. So I got it. I'll take a copy of this here. Move, control. This is how you do the windows. And if it's not matching the size, you can insert, convert this wall into X-ray and wireframe, and you can scale it so that it matches with that gap. Now, let me explain you how to create a door, rectangle, space bar to cancel it, select it, move, drag, Put it here. Offset 0.1. Line. Erase. Space bar to cancel. Select it. Delete it. Erase this portion also. Push pull. Space bar to cancel. Select. Right click. Make a group. Again rectangle. Cancel. Space bar. Click. Move. Push pull. 0.02 20 mm. Line. I can color this. Let me go to the wood. This one color here. This one here. Yeah. Space bar to cancel it. Select it. Right click. Make group. Move. Space bar to cancel. Select. Right click. Make group. Move. Click. This is how you do the door.